That one is driven deep to right field. Backing up Abreu. See ya! A laser beam into the short porch and right. Solo home run for Granderson. His second of the year. 5-0 Yanks.
Well, Santana been throwing breaking ball to Granderson, and I believe this is a breaking ball. This one didn't have the bite that the other ones had until it hit the seats.
Kenny, the funny thing is, and you just said it, and we'll look at here. I mean, a dangerous pitch to lefties down and in, and you're right. Just kind of hung there. Next thing you know, he hung one out into right field. But you were just saying how things change, not day to day, but at bat to at bat. He came in.